Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at these free red BBR Ferrari 296 GTBs. Now I have become a huge BBR Ferrari collector. I'm tripping up already on the start. That's crazy. But hey, so I'm gonna review these free BBRs. So this one is brand new. Just came out a few days ago. Might not have came out in your country, but since I'm in Asia, it's here. It's the BBR 296 GTB Rosso Imola. Yep, I know this car inside out. And we're also gonna go over the Rosso Corsa HEC Expo. China Hobby Expo, so CHE, but I'm pretty sure it's called HEC. 2024 Expo. So in 2025 they've released the 812 Competizione, and I've already reviewed that, so I'm gonna review this today with this that's brand new and we're gonna unbox, and the 296 GTB Fiorano package, which is also in Rosso Corsa Assetto Fiorano. So this is a little different from these other 296, as you will see. But first, let's unbox. Yeah, I'm excited to see what this red actually looks like, because I had the Rosso Imola SP free and it looked good, but I'm pretty sure I prefer the Rosso Corsa. So let's just take a look at it, and we'll see and compare against these two other 296. I have them just next to me right here. Oh, there you go. There you go. I'm gonna just move this here, and the grand review. It looks exactly like the SP3, same red. So I don't know what I expected. Probably the same thing. But yeah, Rosso Imola. It actually looks really nice. Not a huge fan of these dark red colors, but it does look nice. So if you prefer a darker red, definitely go for it. This 296 GTB BBR have mastered it. They're gonna make multiple colors of it. I have the blue one, of course, the red, and the Assetto Fiorano. So I have every single BBR Ferrari right now. So yeah, I mean, it's not, I don't see any defects right now. Everything looks very nice. The paint is very glossy, and yeah, very glossy. Very glossy. It's quite slippery. I might let it drop accidentally, but hey, it's stunning. It's genuinely stunning. So this is the 296. I will put it here, and you can compare it with the, there you go, the duck colored Assetto Fiorano package. That's honestly, I like. It's not that bad. Like, people really don't like this color, but I like it. Of course, it sort of takes over the whole front of the car with the yellow front lip. But hey, and this yellow rear, I don't know what you call it, but basically this rear part in the back is full yellow, and I like that. So this is Rosso Corsa, as you can see. Huge color difference. And also to know that the Assetto Fiorano package has these grayer wheels. So these are sort of a dark gray, not black at all. They are still gray. Almost the same color as this carbon fiber piece. And these are the standard 296 wheels for, I mean, I genuinely love this casting. This casting is absolutely fantastic. Look how long these wheels roll. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, really crazy. This casting they have mastered. I mean, genuinely, if you like the 296, don't look further than BBR, because this is it. Unfortunately, no caliper detail. I mean, BBR are not going for that level of detail. But again, it's quite expensive for a Ferrari license. Around 20 bucks. So with that information, do what you want to do, but for me, I'm taking it every day. I mean, this window is kind of foggy. It's better now. Yeah. So red interior, black interior with red stitching. Oh, this window as well. Yeah, why are these so foggy? Anyways, yeah, I was saying red stitching, black interior. Yeah, it's basically identical to the interior in the duck, basically. I'll call this the duck. It genuinely looks like a duck from the front, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Also, to notice, this HEC has a very different box. All these free boxes do not look the same whatsoever. So I don't know what they're doing in their design, BBR, but these free cars, the boxes do not look the same at all. They may look very similar in color, but and in the car itself, but this is more of a picture of the diecast itself. This is probably a render. Looks like a render. Oh, sorry, I was not in the camera frame. Yeah, this looks like a render. Yeah, this is a render. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a render. So yeah, I don't know what to say, but and this is even, this is not the same as well. So again, a color shift. So that's crazy. Also, this dark tail light looks like it's smoked headlights. It's not. The headlights on both of these cars look exactly the same. And speaking about the HEC 296, here it is. Now, one thing you will notice, these rims do not come with the car. I want to specify that. These are aftermarket rims, and yeah, just want to let you know, because you might think, wow, the details on these rims are crazy. Why is there calipers? Oh my god, I need to get this car. No. All right, I'm not tricking you. Listen to this part of the video. Don't click away. All right, so yeah, yeah, rolls pretty well as well. But yeah, here are the standard rims. So again, the most basic level rims, the silver ones that are also on the blue 296. But yeah, it's just a red. But the Rosso Corsa red is the best red. It's the most beautiful one, and in the end, this is the best looking one in my opinion. Look at that. I mean, just look at that. This is the one you want to get, basically. But hey, if you can't afford it, there's this one. And if you don't like this one, there's this one. So yeah, just to let you know, you have different levels of BBRs. There you go. So do with this information what you want to do with it. But basically, I'm saying the 296 casting from BBR is very, very good. So if you're considering it, buy it. Come on. Like, I know it might be a little expensive, but it's worth it. If you really like the 296, it's worth it, because this casting is magnificent. Also, I didn't mention this Assetto Fiorano package has a different carbon piece right here. These normal ones have the carbon piece, but it doesn't stick out as much. Yeah, basically just saying that. And also this this exhaust is darker than the standard ones that are silver. Alright, that's it. Oh, no, I want to mention this. On the Hobby Expo China model, these vents are absolutely not the same as the ones they are doing right now, which are better. So yeah, so this one is a better representation of the car, because it actually has some plastic pieces in the vents that look like vents, whilst this one just has a hole that is painted in matte black inside. So yeah, just some information for you. I'm gonna put this back, put the rims on there, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. My favorite one is, of course, the Rosso Corsa, but this is a close second. I genuinely like the Rosso Imola now. It just hits different. It's a darker red that you don't see usually. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Stay tuned. BBR is releasing a lot of stuff right now. Might go onto Mini GT, because Kaido House and Mini GT are also releasing a lot of stuff. Basically, stay tuned on the channel. I will be posting more. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.